So if you noticed, I was sanding across the grain. So now what I do is I'll actually flip it around the other way, and then I'll go with the grain so that you can actually, I don't know if you can see it in there, but you can see the lines across the grain. If I don't go with it, these are really hard to get out with the palm sander. I got the shelf popped in, it's glued, gotta let it sit. And then this I've already got set up. So this is what I'm gonna draw the design on. This will be the doors. So I'm gonna use the CNC to cut the design out. Okay, what I'm gonna do here, out of the dowels I cut 4 at 4 1/4, and I'm going to countersink them basically an 1/8 of an inch in, so that it should sit like that, so that I can fully submerge it into glue, and then I'm gonna put a screw through the top so that I know it's secure. And then I got some countersink drill bits that I can put through the top so that the head will sit flush with the top. Oh yeah. So on this piece right here, I like the way the grain's going. I'm gonna cut it up into smaller pieces so I can run it on my joiner. And this is gonna be where the record player will actually sit on. So I'm just gonna rough cut it out, run it on the joiner, then put it through the planer, and we'll glue it up. So after I do the jointing, I will move them around to the best way that I think I can get a better seal, and also what looks nice. So I want this to be the top, so this is the part you'll see. So it'll actually go like that, the record player will sit on here. I've used something different. I actually got this given to me. It's called Natura One Coat or Natura. But you mix it, combine it, 3 parts to 1, and then you just apply it. You don't have to do as much sanding, and it's only 1 coat. So I'm gonna see, I actually like how it turned out. I think for a project like this, I should have done a lot of it different. If I was gonna seal it again, I should have left all the pieces separate, sealed it, and then stuck it together. Because wiping inside that was a pain. I wanna spray that next time. It looks good, so we'll see what happens here. And it's VOC free, so I'm happy. We'll see how it goes. Finally finished it. I'm happy with how it turned out, even though with all the changes. It worked out. Everything seems to work out. It's a shelf. It's got doors and the doors open and you can use them, so I'm happy about that. So now I'm gonna put some stuff on it and we'll see how it holds up.